It's your girl Sade of Naturally Sade. And as you can see, I'm coming at you fresh faced, and I'm about to do my makeup, and I'm just gonna do something quick, like my everyday look. Keep in mind that I do not wear makeup every day, so this isn't really like every day for real, but like when I feel like wearing makeup during the week, when I'm not going out or going anywhere, not doing anything crazy, but I just feel like putting a little something on, this is my go-to look. So I am gonna be up close and personal. Hope you don't mind. Pretty much, I'm just gonna be doing a quick little drugstore routine, which was actually kind of hard because when I was gathering my things, the majority of it is not drugstore technically. It's not like super crazy expensive, you know, but not all drugstores. So that was interesting for me. So anyway, this is gonna be a little chit chat, get ready with me, but quick. So I'm just gonna be going in with some foundation, the Infallible by L'Oreal 24-hour fresh wear. And since it's like an everyday, I'm just gonna go in with one pump, you feel me? And just like put it on my face. Anyway, I haven't really been uploading super consistently lately because I just have been in a really down mood, you know what I mean? Like, I don't feel motivated at all for anything. And I don't know why, I don't know what it is, but I just, whoa. I just got my eyelash extensions done today, my refill, so there's that, one of my lashes gone. But anyway, I haven't really been feeling super motivated lately to do anything, and it's a problem, fam. I'm trying to get back into the groove, but I don't know, it's tough, like, for me, you know, having kids and having that routine, like, you know, I also have a job, and there goes another lash, but it's fine. You know, just trying to keep up with like my everyday life, and I have like so many ideas that I want to record, but then I don't know, I doubt myself, and sometimes I want to record more, do more, but then I just doubt myself, and I feel like nobody's gonna want to see that. Nobody cares about that. And I don't know, I just like shut myself down before I even get started. But I don't want to be like that. I just need to, you know, put myself out there, and I have a hard time doing that, especially, you know, I like to keep some things private. So, you know, I'm not constantly showing you every aspect of my life all day long, you know, on Instagram or Snapchat. But anyway, I'm just trying to get back into it, and hopefully I can. I have a hard time trying to gauge what my viewers want to see. So I noticed that like hair videos are a lot more popular on my channel than like makeup. But I love makeup so much. So I think I'm gonna still do makeup stuff, but I still want to do like occasional makeup, but I still want to do things that my subscribers want to see as well. So if you have any suggestions on something specific that you want to see, let me know. I know my niece, shout out to Camila. My niece told me that she wants me to do a Visco girl transformation. So I might do that. I did some like research on it and it's very interesting. So we'll see. But if there's something specific that, oh crap, that went up way too high. There we go. It's like nothing happened. But if there's something specific that you would like to see from me, I'd like to know. So make sure you comment down below if there's something you want to see me try. I do have ideas, like I said. I even have products that I've purchased. I just haven't made the time to make a video because I'm so unsure. Oh man, these eyebrows be taking forever. Even for an everyday look, these eyebrows gotta be on point, you feel me? By the way, I don't know if I mentioned that this is the eyebrow product I'm using. It is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim, and it is in the color Black Brown. You know what? This is as good as it's gonna get because I'm getting frustrated. Okay. Oh man, I'm just gonna clean these up a little tiny bit with some concealer, and this is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. It is actually kind of light, and I didn't realize it was this light when I got it. What color did I get? I got it in the color beige. Anyway, like I was saying, I'm just trying to get my life together. So now I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer under my eyes, on my nose, forehead, and chinny chin chin. And yes, this is every day. If I'm putting makeup on, I'm typically putting concealer on. So I'm just gonna blend it out. So to set, I'm gonna be using the Coty Airspun Translucent Powder. So I've also been thinking about like vlogging, maybe like some mom vlogs or like fitness vlogs or something. Like, not that I'm into fitness or anything like that, but I'm trying to get healthy. So, you know, maybe like my journey or something like that could be interesting. I don't know. I don't know. Just because, you know, I mean, like I said, I have so many ideas. You guys may not know this about me, but I used to run half marathons. My friend Ashley actually got me into running half marathons. Just eyelashes just falling out. And I really, really loved it. And I have not done it in over a year now. So I've been thinking about if I should start building myself up to do that again and maybe vlog it, you know, like as I train and my process. Yeah, so that's something that I'm considering doing. So I'm just gonna go in real quick with this little eyeshadow palette by Maybelline. And I'm really gonna just do like this color on my lids, like very light. Whoa. Okay. I put too much on that one, but it's fine. We'll just blend it out. So I think that's good. So yeah, it's now that it's blended out, it doesn't look all crazy. Okay, so I'm just gonna bronze up real quick, and I'm gonna be using this bronzer by Physicians Formula. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what I've been up to, like my everyday life of being a mom and a wife and taking care of my responsibilities at home, and then I work. So it's like, you know, trying to find time for this, and also for myself, like my sanity, you know, and I just, it's tough. I have other extracurriculars that I've committed myself to, like I like to go to Bible study through my church, and I love going to that group because I just feel so good every time I leave. I feel so blessed and reminded of my blessings. You know, just these things that everyone has their things, and that's just kind of my thing, I guess. Like trying to find time for myself, that balance of my time, family time, responsibilities, and sometimes it can be overwhelming. It's like sometimes I just need a vacation from having any like responsibilities, right? Like adulting is hard. Sometimes I'll be going too ham on this nose contour. But then it's like I kind of like a little bit of it in an extreme. Like the purpose of contouring my nose is for it to be noticeable, you know? But if I go too ham, then I'll kind of like buff it out a little bit with my powder brush. See, like it's still there, but not as crazy. I'm gonna go in with this highlighter by Wet n Wild, and it is the Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in Precious Petals. So that's my life, me trying to get it together and not feeling like a failure all the time, because I kind of do. And it's like my daughter is gonna be, my son is in 1st grade, and my daughter's gonna be in kindergarten next year. So there's like that transition of when she starts kindergarten and she's in school full time. Am I going to still be working part-time nights? Am I gonna start working full-time? Like, what's that transition gonna look like for me? And it's just like, I don't know. This is what I'm gonna be using, these two middle colors for the blush. But yeah, like just wondering, like, I don't know, I want to be able to be there for my kids while they're in school. Like I'm able to go to their little events and stuff, and if I'm working full time, then I'm not going to be able to do that. But then I want more money. We want more money as a family, you know, and so there's that. Like just all these decisions, it's too much. So I'm gonna go back into the palette and just kind of do like a little bit of a liner. Use the black that's in here. Being a mom and a wife is tough. Just being a wife is tough. Like being I don't want to say a wife, being a partner in general with another person. It comes with so many challenges, and it's a lot of work. I don't think single people realize, or maybe some do, and that's why they're single. But it's not so easy. It's a lot of work. But it's worth it if it's a great partnership, which I think I have with my husband. Throw in being a mom into that mix, and it gets harder. But it's all worth it, or so they say, right? It is, though. Like, I love my kids to death, even though they drive me crazy. You have no idea, unless you know me, how crazy these kids can be. Okay, so that's kind of natural, right? So I'm just gonna go in with on my bottom lashes. And I don't think I'm gonna put a liner on unless I mess up, which is very likely to happen. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with this NYX soft matte lip cream in Abu Dhabi. And I need to get a new one, because this one is like, running out. But for me, it's like the perfect nude color. Whew. So let me just take my hair down, shake it out, and like literally ready for the day. Just throw on some earrings and I'll be good. So thanks for listening to my problems and my issues and just my trials and tribulations. If you happen to make it to the end of this video, then you are a real one. Thank you. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed watching this or enjoy videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more from me, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And of course, as always, thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.